Kenyans abroad sent 22.82 billion shillings more last year compared to 2016 as economic slowdown in the year of elections saw foreign exchange consolidate its position that's ahead of tea exports and earnings from tourism. Data from the Central Bank of Kenya showed diaspora remittances hit an all-time high of 197.12 billion shillings. That's in the 12 months period to December. That's a 13.09% growth over 174.3 billion shillings the previous year. Now, the remittances outperformed foreign exchange earners, that's tea exports and tourism, which stood at 129 billion shillings and 120 billion shillings respectively.